Ready for the road.
So if you wanna rock me, then go ahead and talk me. Don't waste that food, you better lick that plate. This a clean, clean bus. Isa Island, y'all take pride in it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. This a mean, mean bus. It get plenty flavor.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life villa yo.
$10 taxi. $5 taxi. Fun fact, we realizing it's probably best to drive when you come to Nassau, right? Yeah, it's probably best to drive, get a rental, and use Google Maps, because I just realized on airplane mode, Google Maps still works. I'm probably late to the game. I was so scared to drive in Nassau, but now since I know, I'll be driving. Downtown Nassau. Funky Nassau. It's a downtown area with all the shops and bars, and I think there's an event tomorrow at Senior Frogs. This is the Pompeii Museum. A lot of shops, expensive things. This is the straw market where you can buy the little touristy things.
Oh, and then the new harbor thing on the other side coming.
Oh, they're developing a new. Ooh, that's cute. Yes.
Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan.
Driver, don't stop at all. I have been up and down Nassau in this heat. But I needed to stop at the beach, y'all. It is so pretty out here. I'm about to just walk out barefoot. I'm at Junkanoo Beach, of all beaches, which isn't the best beach, quote unquote, but it's a pretty beach. Look at that water. That's insane. Insane. So I'm just gonna walk out for a little bit. Do y'all see these fish? What are they doing? I took my shoes off. Who knew that Junkanoo Beach was giving like this? It's right next to the cruise port. And then there's Iraqi to the left. Somebody child screaming. It's so pretty. There's rocks everywhere. Is that $1? So, like, so pretty. Now it's time to go pick up my Jouvert package for a Dutty crew. And they have pickup at Flamingos.
All our visitors for business or leisure, relax in one of our many deluxe suites with mountain or pool views, savoring array of culinary.
Okay, enough of that day in the life stuff. But if you made it this far in the vlog, now is really time to get the carnival weekend started. We were on the way to Goldwynn Resorts and Residences to check in. I was able to partner with Goldwynn Resorts and Residences, thanks to the staff there for organizing and hosting us for carnival weekend. All right, y'all, we are checked in, and this property, this resort is stunning. It is so beautiful. We're staying at Goldwynn Resorts and Residences on the resort side, and I have to show you this room. So let's do a little room tour. We are in a 1-bedroom suite, and it comes with this kitchen, all stuff. We have like a living room area, dining room table, couch area. We also have like this huge terrace. This is one part of the terrace. It goes around that way. And then look out here. This is so pretty. Like, what? Insanity. And this is the patio area. We got a little construction going on. Don't mind that. But it's pretty beautiful. It's a little wet today. This is a bedroom, 1-bedroom. And we have a little table here, as well as the outside patio from that side. And these, and the television, this full-length mirror. Everything is so modern. They have all these little different buttons. So if I press shares, the shares move. I think I'm pressing it correctly, hopefully. Look at how special that is. And this is the bathroom. And the bathroom also has a lights fixture as well. Has a waterfall shower and toilet, 2 sinks. Light for you. Ooh. Isn't that pretty? So yeah, tell me what you guys think. This is where we're staying for Bahamas Carnival 2023. I'm just waiting for the rest of the girls to get here. But it's beautiful hair dread, I ain't lie. Y'all, I left this room for like literally 10 minutes to record. And when I say I came back and things was changed, like the champagne glasses, they was gone because they were empty. Somebody had put the shades down. Somebody moved my bag to the room. They even took out the bedroom slippers and they did the turn down service. Like that was so fast. I know I'm on a media visit, but that was insanely fast. Like I can't believe how fast that was. I technically need as much light as I could possibly get, so that's why I'm redoing this, undoing what they did. But I thought that was so nice. Like, get on your phone. You gotta get on your phone. You gotta get on your phone. So after the ladies arrived, we got changed and went down for lunch at Amara, which is one of the restaurants in Goldwynn. But it was raining outside, but we were able to get drinks and lunch anyway. So you don't have to say on our Zoom. And for you? I would love. She needs to take a picture. Oh my gosh, 7 minutes and I hope y'all still with me. But this is our first event for Bahamas Carnival weekend. We went to Hard Fete at Waterloo, and then afterwards we had to catch the truck to go to Dutty Crew. But here's the vibes. Left Hard Fete. Where we going? To Jouvert.
Very unprepared.
Very unprepared.
I'm sure my titty didn't like.
What? Oh,
Shut down, level. Once again, please let me remind you all, you ain't gonna squeeze up, but please stay in the safety bounds. You walk outside of there, I can't.
Okay, it's finally Friday, and after waiting a while, we got our costumes Friday night right before we went to the events. So here's a little look-see. I ended up getting the preferred backline with the king male headpiece because I really liked the male headpiece and I thought it would have sell off, and it did. But this costume is so detailed, y'all. I haven't seen a backline costume look this good in a long time. I did a whole unboxing on my TikTok. Want to go and see it? I'll link it in the description box below. But after that, it was time to go to La Vie and the concert. To La Vie, hopefully. Alright, man, I want to nap so bad. Like, I really want to sleep. I really want to sleep, but the show must go on. So I did take that nap because we didn't leave for La Vie until like really late.
It's just different. It's just different right now. It's a feeling I can't control. When I say this, just you would play some old school music. Y'all truly play out, right? We're in the building tonight. Ladies, give me a word.
What we're doing right now is all about La Vie. But Sunday is all about waves. Tomorrow night, We have in Carnival. We up on the road and then we go on the waves. If you don't go on the waves, you waste your time and your money. If you come to the Bahamas and you don't know waves, you lose.
Happy birthday. You wanna take the
When I say we only spent an hour at La Vie, we literally only spent an hour. It was probably one of the better events that I went to for the whole weekend. But then we had to head to Insomnia by Bahamas Carnival Experience, which is one of like the concert experiences. The headliners was Bungie and Fan, and they also had like Bahamian artists performing as well.
right now, I just.
Hey, we are here.
Made us see some bread. Anybody from Jamaica? Toute la SCN sac passé Saint-Gisèle? Anybody there from Trinidad and Tobago?
So yeah, this audio way off, but Bungie Garland came on to perform, and his set and Fan, their set together was really, really good. I feel like every time I see them perform for a concert, like I don't do concerts. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not a concert person, but I would definitely stay and watch their set because they always doing something different, or they know how to hype up a crowd. That's what I love about it, you know. So hopefully I can let y'all have some of this because I don't want to burst y'all ass wide open. Next morning, Saturday morning, we ready for the road. I already put on my costume. I was up early from like 6 a.m.ish, so I hardly slept, like literally maybe 2 hours. But I don't even think I slept. I think I just laid there with my eyes open. But anyways, y'all check out this costume. I absolutely love it on. I did my own makeup, proud of me. And then I was headed to open water tours on Junkanoo Beach to take some drone photos because I'd never taken drone photos in a clear canoe before, and I thought it would be really cool to do it in a carnival costume. So let me know what y'all think about these photos and how they came out. I absolutely love them. Let me know if you would actually do this when you come to the Bahamas. So after my little photo shoot, I headed to Kendall G.L. Isaac's gym for breakfast because Bahamas Masqueraders does this breakfast for all the masqueraders before we head out on the road. It was around like 9-ish, and they had a lot of stuff. Like they had yogurt, eggs, sausage. I ended up getting a little sausage and egg sandwich with juice and whatnot. But they were also making mimosas and all kind of things. And I just waited to meet up with a couple of my friends. And then it was time to head on the road. Them marshals, they mean business. They came to collect us. So they was helping us fix arm pieces, leg pieces, sleeves, head pieces, all kind of pieces. And then it was time to go out on the street.
I'm
need more people.
Get some really wine on the rocks.
Oh, I'm interrupting. I'm sorry.
Looks like we're running.
On the count of three. Ready? 1, 2, 3, hey, God. When I touch the rock, when I touch the rock, when I touch the rock. Hey, God. When I touch the rock, when I touch the rock, when I touch the rock. I'm going to rap it out. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
So the road experience, it was hot. There's some things they could work on, but I feel for the most part it was solid, good. We actually went to the beach to do some more of the open water tours for my friends. There's Globy Woby. Anyway, then afterwards we went to Green Parrot to get some drinks and food, and then call it a day. Let me know what y'all think of this vlog, and if you would go to Bahamas Carnival next year. Bye.